Welcome back sa Intermediate Accounting Part 2 discussion series. I am still Romualdo Fernandez Credo, your teacher for this semester. So last time I asked you to solve a few problems, no? So I have already received some responses and it is just but proper na i-discuss natin yung sagot para malaman nyo kung ano ang correct answer. So, please prepare your pen and paper for you to jot down the important details. So, let's start. This is current liability application or the problem solving part. Problem number 1. Here is the question. In its December 31, 2008 balance sheet, the company should report a current liabilities at letter A, 2 million, letter B, 2.5 million, letter C, 5 million, and letter D, 7 million. Let's go over dun sa data. The company's liability as at December 31, 2008 are as follows. Meron silang notes payable and accrued interest 2 million. Tapos meron silang 5 million na 5-year 10% note payable due December 31, 2011. Part of the loan agreement is for the company to appropriate fixed amount of its accumulated profits and losses annually in the amount of appropriation has equaled the face of the obligation. Failure to comply with the agreement will make the loan payable on demand. As of December 31, 2008, the company has yet to comply with the loan agreement. So, as a result ng violation ng company dun sa agreement nilang mag-appropriate ng part ng kanilang accumulated profits and losses annually, so since hindi nagawa yun ni company, ano ang magiging effect? Magiging payable on demand, yung liability. So the answer is, so accounts payable na 2 million in general plus its interest is generally a current liability. And then, yung 5 million na liability niya, since hindi siya nakakomply doon sa agreement, magiging payable on demand. So, magiging current liability na rin siya. So, 2 million plus 5 million, the answer is letter D. 7 million. Problem number 2. Assuming the lender agreed that on December 31, 2008 rather, to provide a grace period of 12 months for the entity to rectify the breach and assured the company that no demand of payment is to be made within that grace period, what amount of current liability should the company report in its December 31 balance sheet? No, since nagbigay ng consideration si creditor na kahit nag-violate si company, magbibigay siya ng grace period na 12 months. So, hindi na magiging due yung 5 million. This is related dun sa problem 1. Continuation niya. So, kung hindi na magiging due yung 5 million, so, ang sagot is letter A. It's 2 million. So, hindi na due yung 5 million. So, 2 million na lang. Problem number 3. Here's the question. What amount should Hudson report as sales tax payable and occupancy taxes in its December 31 balance sheet? Each hotel collects 15% in city sales taxes on room rentals. So, yung room rentals is subject to 15%. So, yung 100, 110, 150, yun yung room rentals. Tapos, in addition dun sa city taxes, nagkukolekt pa siya ng 2 pesos per room as an occupancy tax. Room per night. Yun. So, 2 pesos per room per night. So, yun naman yung 1,100, 1,200, and 1,800. Subject to 2 pesos per night. Sales taxes for each month are due at the end of the following month. And occupancy taxes are due 15 days at the end of each calendar quarter. So, sa end na ng 15 days pagkatapos ng quarter na mag-due yung occupancy taxes. On January 3, Hudson paid the November sales tax and its fourth quarter occupancy tax. And then, yung mga additional information na basa na natin kanina. So, magkano ang payable sa sales tax at saka sa occupancy taxes? So, take note, ang conditions sa sales taxes for each month are due at the end of the following month. So, sa end ng susunod. So, let's discuss yung room rentals. So, yung 100,000, ang sabi niya, end ng following month, ang following month ay November. So, November 30. So, bayad na yung taxes yung tax ng 100,000. Ito, 110 at the end of December 31. So, as of December 31, hindi pa siya bayad. Di ba? Kasi outstanding pa yung liability diyan kasi December 31 cut-off date yon. And then of course, ito 150 at the end of next month, so mga January 30 pa yan, so magiging liability. So, i-add mo lang yung November at saka yung December, 110,000 at saka 160,000 is equal to 260,000 and multiply mo yung tax rates para makuha yung sales tax na 39,000. Tapos, sa room per nights naman, so ang policy nila doon is 15 days after ng end ng quarter. So, last quarter na yan. So, pag mag-i-end yung quarter ng December 31, di ba? So, January 15 pa babayaran. So, as of December 31, liability pa rin yung
para sa October, November, at saka December. So, i-add mo lang yung tatlo, 1,100, 1,200, 1,800 equals 4,100. Tapos, ang rate niya ay, yung occupancy ay 2 pesos per night. Diba? So, 4,100 times 2 pesos is equal to 8,200. So, 39 at saka 8,200 is letter B.
Problem number 4. The question is, what is the adjusted balance of the unearned service contract as of December 31, 2007? So let's go over sa problem to gather important information. So let's read. Bugs Appliance Company's accountant has been receiving the firm's past television sales. For the past years, Bugs has been offering a special service contract on all television sold. With the purchase of television, the customer has the right to purchase a 3-year service contract for an extra 600. So, yun yung service contract na tinatanong doon sa question. Aside from doon sa TV, nag-offer din sila ng service contract na pag nasira yung TV within 3 years, of course, aayusin nila. Para siyang magiging insurance for only 600 pesos. No? Information concerning past television and warranty contract sales is given below. Television unit sales. So, yung nabenta nilang TV, 550 and 460 in 2017 and 2016 respectively. Ang price per unit is 5,000 in 2007 and 4,000 in 2006. Number of service contracts sold. So ito yung 600. Nakabenta sila ng 350 for 2007 yung service contract and 300 only last year niya. So 2006. Let's go over din sa important details. Important ito. Bugs accountant has estimated from past records that the patterns and repairs has been, so based sa experience nila ito, has been 40% in the year of sales. So kung kailan binenta, 40% daw. Tapos susunod na taon, 36%. And then 24% second second year of sale. Ibig sabihin sa last year ng service contract. For example, pag nabenta yung service contract ng 2007, 40% ang mag-a-avail ng 2007. Sa 2008, merong mag-a-avail ng service contract na 36%, and sa 2009 may mag-a-avail na 24%. So, ganun din sa last year niya, sa 2006. Kung nabenta yung service contract noong 2006, 40% nung service contract na binenta na yun ay mag-a-avail ng services on that year, 40%. Next year niya, 2007, mag-a-avail yung 36%, and second year, after ng sale, that is 2008 na, para sa 2006 sales, 24% ang mag-a-avail. So, kailangan naiintindihan yun kasi yun yung pattern ng consumption ng service contract kasi yun yung tinatanong. So, dapat naiintindihan nyo yun. So, kung gusto nyo, gagawa kayo ng diagram. Ulitin natin. Sa 2007, 40% ng service contract na nabenta mo ay mag-a-avail ng 2007. Next year niya, 2008, ilang percent? May mag-a-avail na 36% and 24% sa 2009. Sa 2006, 40% mag-a-avail ng year of sale, 2006, within 1 year. Tapos, 2007, 2008 will follow. So, ang question, ulitin natin, ang question is, magkano yung unearned service contract? So, first, kailangan mo munang malaman magkano yung service contract. So, madali lang naman yun. I-multiply mo lang yung number of service contract sold sa kanyang unit price. And pinoint out na natin kanina yon yung service contract na yon. So, sabi natin kanina, for 2007, so pakitignan yung upper part, for 2007, 350 yung nabenta na service contract at sa 2006, 300 lang. So, i-multiply lang natin ang price ng service contract na 600 to get yung total price ng service contract. Ngayon, we need to divide it by 2 kasi we have to assume na yung contract is sold evenly throughout the year. So, i-average natin. Kasi hindi naman lahat ng TV na nag-avail ng service contract ay bibili ng January. For example, syempre merong January, may February, may April, may October, may November, at may December. So, kailangan natin i-average during the year. Kasi syempre 1 year yun, 12 months ang contract niya. So, we have to get yung average kasi we have to assume na it is purchased evenly. So, divided by 2, so yung total service contract na 210 magiging 105,000 and then for 2006, yung total service contract for 2006 na 180, it will be 90,000 na lang. Siyempre, divided by 2. And then, i-apply na natin yung percentages na in-explain natin kanina. Sa year of sale, 40%. Yung susunod na taon, 36%. And then, yung pangatlong taon, 24%. So, multiply lang natin yun. So, first, we have to get yung amount para sa earned at saka unearned service contract for the year 2007. So, ano na ba yung earned dyan? Of course, yung as of December 31, 2007, ang cut-off natin, December 31, 2007. So, yung December 31, 2007, pababa, 2006, 2007, it is earned na. Kasi ang cut-off ng year is December 31 nga, 27. So, yung 2008, 2009, yun yung magiging unearned. So, yun yung hinahanap natin. So, apply lang natin yung percentage. So, 105,000 times 40%. O yun, 42,000 sa 2007. Sa next year niya, 36% na lang. So, 105,000 times 36%, 37,800. And 105,000 times 25,200 sa third year na yon, so wala nang susunod, it is 25,200. Then, kasi sabi nga natin evenly, so i-assume natin na yung ibang contract service ay binili sa last part of the year. So, syempre, mag-overlap siya for next year. So, within 1 year pa rin yung iba, di ba? So, 100,000 times 40%, ganun pa rin, 42,200. Doon naman siya sa 2001, 2008 papasok. Kasi nga, for example, bumili ka ng October ng TV. So, yung 1-year service contract mo, mag-end ng September next year. So, ganon. Mag-overlap siya. So, kaya nga hinati natin kanina. So, and then, yung last part, yung isang kalahati nun, mag-overlap din. Kasi inassume natin na kalahating taon natapos. Yun ay bumili sila, nakapag-acquire sila. So, kalahating taon next year din yung cover ng 1 year nila. So, ganun din lang. Susundan lang natin. So, let us assume na yung kalahati ng uh, 2007 sales ay mag-overlap dun sa next year. So, 2008, 42,200, and then times 36%, 37,800, times yung basis natin na 105, and then yung 24% times 105,000, it is 25,300. So, to summarize, yung 2007, ang na-earn, to summarize, ang na-earn lang natin for 2007 lang is 42,000. So, the rest, unearned na siya, no? So, ito lang 2007. So, pero hindi pa yun yung sagot kasi nga meron pa tayong sales from last year yung 2006. So ganun din. 90,000 times 40%, syempre makukolect yan sa 2006. Pakipalitan pala yung hindi napalitan. Yung sa may parenthesis 105 pa rin nakalagay, no? It should be 90,000. So, balik tayo. So, yung sa second year niya, 2007, 90,000 times 36% and 24% times 90,000, 21,600. So, ganun ulit parang nung 2008 kasi hindi naman lahat ng TV na may nag-avail ng service contract na binili ay mangyayari sa January para mag-end yung kanyang account, yung kanyang 1 year ng December 31. Siyempre may pinili ng June, July, katulad ng sinabi natin kanina, September, October. So siyempre, yung 1 year noon, mag-overlap siya sa next year. So yun yung reason kaya natin nga sabi ko kanina, hinati natin. So for the same reason, dun sa 2007, igaganon din natin. Yung kalahati, i-assume natin na ang first year niya ay hindi 2006 kundi 2007 kasi nga yung 1 year period, 12 months. So ganun pa rin, times 40%, 40% of 90,000 is 36. 90,000 times 36% is 37,400 and yung 90,000 times 24% is 21,600. So ngayon, since meron na tayong computation for 2007 at saka 2006, ang kailangan na lang natin ay yung mga hindi pa nag-expire. 'Di ba? Yung tapos ng period, ibig sabihin earned na 'yon. So kung ang question is earned, magkano ang na-earn? So yan yung for the years 2006 at saka 2007. So i-add mo 'yon. 36,000 at saka 110,400. Kapag ang question ay yung na-earn na service contract. Pero hindi yun ang tanong dito sa problem natin, yung unearned. So anong gagawin natin? Yung 2000, kukunin natin yung 2008 to 2010 kung meron. Ayun, meron nga. So 2008, 133,800. 2009, 84. Ang total niya, 84,600. And for 2010, 25,200. So for a total of 243,600 yung years na yon. 8, 9, and 10. So yun yung tinatawag nating unearned service contract. Number 5. This question number 5 is of course related to question number 4 or problem number 4 rather. Same data sila, no? So this is the question, how much profit on the service contract would be recognized in the year 2007. So sabi ko nga kanina, yung na-earn na ay yung, kasi ang tinatanong na this time is yung na i-recognize noong 2007. Ang sabi ko kanina, ang na-earn is yung tapos na, 2006 at saka 2007. Pero ang question ngayon ay yung i-recognize lang na 2007. So, ang sagot ay letter C, 71,880. So, yung na-earn for year 2007 lang, yung total ng 2,000, pakitignan dun sa solution, yung nakaraang solution, 110,400 yung total nun. Tapos, ibabawas mo lang syempre yung expenses related dun sa television warranty, that is 38,520. So, ang sagot is 71,880. Item number 7. Question. On December 31, 2016, what total amount should be reported as current liability? So the company reported the following liability account balances on December 31, 2016. So we have accounts payable, 1.9 million, bonds payable due December 31, 2017. Discount on bonds payable, 200,000. Deferred tax liability, 400,000. Dividends payable, 500,000. Income tax payable, 900,000. Note payable due January 31, 2018. So, for a current liability, ang requirement is that kailangan yung liability must be settled within the accounting cycle or yung dun sa operating cycle rather, or dun sa 12-month period, no? Dun sa next 12-month period para ma-recognize siya as liability. Babayaran siya within 1 year or year sa operating cycle. So, yun lang naman ang i-examine mo dyan. So, ano ba yung mga liability na that will be settled within 1 year from the balance sheet date? So, ang cut-off natin is December 31, 2016. So, yun yung mga current liabilities natin.
Okay, so only the following are included sa ating current liability. Accounts payable of 1.9 million, dividends payable of 500,000, income tax payable of 900,000, bonds payable of 3.4 million, and its related discount 200,000, pero it is a contra account. Yan. So pag discount, ang liability is in issue at a discount, ibig sabihin mas mababa yung issue price niya kaysa yung face value. So, yung difference, tinatawag nating discount. So, i-deduct yon. On the other hand, yung opposite nun, it is a premium, in-issue siya ng mas mataas sa kanyang face value. So, yung premium naman, it will be added. No? It will be added. No? So, ano ang hindi kasama? Of course, yung deferred tax liability of 400,000 because under past 1 and past 12, deferred tax liability is a non-current liability. Dahil may additional note sabi doon sa problem, it will be, yung temporary difference will be reversed in 2018. So, ang cut-off natin is December 31, 2016. So, it is a non-current. And next, hindi rin kasama yung note payable due December 31, 2018 amounting to 600,000. Kasi nga 2018 pa din ang due niya. So it is beyond 1 year. However, itong 3.4 million na bonds payable, di ba ang bonds payable is normally a long-term liability pero mag-due na siya within 1 year. So it will be classified as a current liability na. So the answer is letter C. 6,000 ay 6 million rather 6,500,000. Item number 8. The question is, how much of the note payable is classified as current in the December 31, 2016 financial statement? However, that financial statement were issued on March 31, 2017. So let's go over dun sa data. J Company had 2 million notes payable that is due February 28, 2017. The entity borrowed 1.6 on February 25, 2017, which has a 5-year term and used the proceeds to pay down the note and use the other cash to pay the balance. So the answer is letter A. The entire amount of 2 million will be presented as current assets because na-refinance lang siya noong February 25, 2017 when the company borrowed 1.6 million. The term of that is 5 years. Kaya nga lang, it is after the balance sheet date na siya. Ang balance sheet date natin, remember, is December 31, 2016. So as of that, hindi pa present yung contract noong February 25. So as of December 31, yung 2 million is current liability. Number 9. Here's the question. What total amount should be reported as current liability on December 31, 2016? So let's gather the relevant information. William Company reported the following liabilities on December 31, 2016. Accounts payable, 750,000. Short-term borrowings, 400,000. Bonds payable due 2017, 3 million. Premium on bonds payable, 200,000. So kanina may discount. Ngayon, premium. Mortgage payable current portion, 500,000. Bank loan due June 30, 2017. Additional information, the 1 million bank loan was refinanced with a 5-year loan on January 15, 2017. In-issue yung financial statement kasi dyan sa date lang siya na-approve kasi preparation pa yan hanggang March 17. Anyway, ang deadline naman sa PIR ay April. No? So, normally, ganyan talaga ang case. The financial statement were issued March 1, 2017. However, ang cut-off pa rin natin is December 31, yung end ng accounting period. No? That is, kung calendar ang gamit nilang accounting period, syempre mag-i-end ng December 31. So for this case, ang year ay 2016. So ano-ano ang kasama, ano-ano ang hindi. So of course, Yung 750, accounts payable is normally current. So check. Short-term borrowings, it is short-term. So current yan, 400,000, correct. Bonds payable of 2007. Bonds payable due 2017. Ano bang cut-off period natin? December 31, 2016. So it is included. Mag-due na siya next year. So kasama yung 3 million. Premium on bonds payable. So alam mo na ang gagawin sa bonds payable, this time it will be added kasi yung discount dinideduct natin, di ba? So opposite lang sila. So kung dinideduct yung discount, i-add ang premium. So positive ngayon yung 200,000. Mortgage payable, 3.5 million. However, ang current portion lang is 500,000. So only yung 500,000 ang kasama. How about yung 1 million, yung natitira? Mag-due siya June 30, 2017. Kasama ba o hindi? Nirefinance siya noong January 15, 2017 ng 5-year loan. So, long term ba o current pa rin? Susundin ba natin yung June niya na June 30, 2017? So, as of December 31, it is still current. So, kasama pa rin siya. Kasi nga, after the balance sheet date naman nangyari yung refinancing. So, to summarize, ano yung mga kasali? Yung accounts payable, 750, short-term borrowing, 400, bonds payable plus yung premium niya, 3.2 million, yung mortgage payable, only yung current portion na 500, and yung bank loan kasama. So, ang total current liability is 5,850,000. Item number 10. The question is, what amount of note payable should be reported as current liability on December 31, 2016? So let's go over the problem to gather the data. On December 31, 2016, Ace Company had 40 million notes payable due on February 28, 2017. So within 1 year. So as of now, dapat current siya. Dapat current siya. Yung 40 million. Kasi nga within 1 year. Tingnan natin yung additional information. On December 31, 2016, the entity arranged a credit line with Citibank which allows the entity to borrow up to 35 million at a 1% above the prime rate for 3 years. So, nag-enter sila into a special contract noong December 31 yon. So, mayroon silang special agreement with Citibank na pwede silang umutang up to 35 million. However, as a result ng special arrangement na yon, para sa convenience nila, kung kailangan nila ng fund, meron silang matatakbuhan, ang rate nga ay, siyempre sa sinamantala, mas mataas 1% above the prime rate. So, kung ano yung pinakamataas na rate, prevailing rate nila, plus 1%. Plus 1%. On February 15, 2017, the entity borrowed 25 million from Citibank and used 5 million additional cash to liquidate the 30 million note payable. So, umutang nga sila ng 25 million. In-exercise na nila yung agreement na binuo nila noong December 31. Umutang na sila ng 25 million lang. Pero, ang binayaran lang nila is 30 million. So, 25 million yung inutang plus yung additional cash nila na 5 million. So, nakabuo sila ng 30 million. Binayad nila dun sa notes payable. So, may balance pang 10 million. So, again, nangyari yun noong February 15, 2017, which is after ng ating balance sheet date na. Take note, The financial statement were issued on March 31, 2017. So the question again is current liability. And
The answer is 40 million. It is still a current liability as of December 31, 2016 since ni-refinance lang siya after na ng cut-off which is December 31, 2016. Ang refinancing ay nangyari ng February 15, 2017 lang. So as of, ulitin natin, as of December 31, it is still a current liability. Item number 11, the question is, what total amount should be reported as current liability? The company provided the following information on December 31, 2016. Accounts payable 550,000, unsecured notes payable 8% due July 1, 2017. So that's within 1 year, 4 million. Accrued expenses 350,000, contingent liability 450,000, deferred tax liability 250,000, senior bonds payable 7% due March 31, 2017, so within 1 year then 5 million. Additional information, the contingent liability is an accrual for a possible loss on a 1 million lawsuit filed against the entity. The legal counsel expected that the suit to be settled in 2017 and has estimated that the entity will be liable for damages in the range of 450 to 750,000. The deferred tax liability is related to an asset for financial reporting and is expected to be reversed in 2017. What amount of total liability, current liability rather, will be reported in 2016, December 31? So ano ang isasama natin dyan? Accounts payable is of course, normally it is current. Yung notes payable, since mag-due na siya sa July, it is still included. Accrued expense is an operating, so normally, ano yan, current yan. Contingent liability, so since ang contingent liability is only a possible loss, so it will only be disclosed. So, hindi siya i-recognize. So, hindi siya kasama. Deferred tax liability is a non-current asset. Regardless kung kailan siya ma-reverse. Senior bonds payable, since mag-due na siya sa March 31, 2017, it will be included. So, the answer is 9,900,000. So, ang composition ng 9,900,000 is yung 550, 4,350,000 na accrued expense from yung senior bonds payable na 5 million. Item number 12. What amount should be reported as total current liability? So, these are the data. Burma Company disclosed the following information. Accounts payable, after deducting the debit balance, says in supplier's account amounting to 100,000, so 4 million na lang siya. Accrued expenses, 1.5 million. Credit balance, says of customer's account, 500,000. Stock dividends payable, 1 million. Claims for increase in wage and allowance by employees of the entity covered in a pending lawsuit, 400,000, and estimated expenses in redeeming price coupon, 600. Item number 12, what amount should be reported as total current liability? So let's go over the problem para makuha yung details. Burma Company disclose the following information. Accounts payable after deducting debit balances in supplier's account amounting to 100,000 is 4 million. Accrued expenses, 1.5 million. Credit balances in customer's account, 500,000. Stock dividends payable, 1 million. Claims for increase in wages and allowance by employees of the entity covered in a pending lawsuit, 400,000. And estimated expenses in redeeming price coupon, 600,000. So, yung accounts payable of 4 million, syempre, kasama normally yung accounts payable. No? Pero mayroon siyang note, no? Debit balance is in supplier's account amounting to 100,000 is deducted daw. So, nagkaroon ng overpayment doon sa ibang supplier ng amounting to 100,000. So, diniduct na doon sa account payable. So, it is not correct, however, to deduct such. No? So, dapat ibalik mo, ang accounts payable mo pa rin is 4,100,000 ang accounts payable. And accrued expense sa operation yan. So, current yan. Credit balances of customers account, 500,000. So, kasama yan. Stock dividends payable, medyo talagang ginamit yung payable account to distract you, no? Pero unfortunately hindi siya liability. Pero kasi dapat ang ginagamit diyan ay stock dividends distributable. So it is not a liability account, it's an equity account. So dapat din ni-discourage dapat yung paggamit ng stock dividends payable. Kasi hindi siya liability. Should be distributable. So, cancel yung 1 million, hindi siya kasama. Claims for increase in wages, 400,000. So, yan ay due to a pending lawsuit. So, it will only be disclosed. So, it will only be disclosed. And of course, yung estimated expenses in redeeming price coupon, kasama yan sa operation. So, it is a current liability. So, the answer is letter A, 6.7 million or 6,700,000. So, ang kasama is yung accounts payable na 4 million plus, i-add back mo yung 100,000. Yung accrued expense, kasama. Credit balances in customer's account is included, 500,000. Estimated liability na 600,000 sa pag-redeem ng coupon. Okay, so thank you very much for listening. So, yung discussion ng concept ng Chapter 2 is on the process. So, susunod na dito immediately. Susunod dito sa video ito. So, watch out for that. So, thank you very much. God bless.